Check this out. Notice the curvature of the door following down the contours. The build quality on this was absolutely spectacular. Of course, the leaded glass. Can you imagine that on a bus today? Look at that beautiful hardware. Now check out on the inside. You can hold 8 people. There's the meters. Put your stuff underneath. Just lovely with the big brass. Look how low the steps are, and those don't fold, folks. That's it. That is it. Pay when you enter. I gotta pull back to get the full effect of this car because it is tall. Now notice the people around. You could get an idea of how big this girl is. Of course, it's chain drive, which was typical of the era, with your diff right in the center. Looks like again, a transmission diff, chain drive. Now the transmission's bolted straight up to the differential. Look at that ring gear. I'll bet you that starter is additional. Flat Oppose 2. This is 1912 Little Giant Model D. Little Giant, you will recognize the name, because they went on with industrial, if I'm not mistaken, they're into pumps. What an amazing vehicle. Yeah, the starter motor was added on because 12, of course, was before. The pinstriping. Driver is right out in the open, of course. That is the gas for the headlight. Again, you can see the other big cylinder over there. Those are oil cups, by the way. Little brass guys. You'll see them all over. You fill that with oil to keep the bearings greased. Did you restore the Autobus yourself?
Yes.
This is amazing. When did you find it?
2010.
2010. Jeez, this is remarkable. Absolutely. And you did all the restoration yourself?
A few things I did not do. I didn't do the lamps, the upholstery, or pinstriping, whatever.
This is what a labor of love. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And now I've got to get, of course, your total ensemble. Perfect, just perfect. Thank you for the interview, Wayne. Now, you were saying that Little Giant
was a brand of the Chicago Pneumatic Tool Company.
Mm-hmm.
They also made mining equipment, air mining equipment, drills and such.
Uh-huh.
The trucks were built at their Franklin, Pennsylvania factory.
Very good.
Until they decided the trucks were not their core business and quit about 1916 or so.
1916. Now, how long did they go for?
1910 is
right.
when they started, and 1916 or so were the last models.
Okay. And they made just chassis or buses or trucks? What did they?
They made complete vehicles. They would not have built the bodies probably, but you could order a complete vehicle, including the bus.
Ah, very good, very good. Again, very early bus.
Yes.
Probably one of the first buses, am I correct?
There's a whole story that goes with the Jitney.
Uh-huh.
If you want to hear that, I'd be happy to.
Yeah, sure.
Prior to 1910, if you were in a city, the way to get around was on a trolley. The fare, customary fare, was 3 cents in most cities. But you had, because the trolley stayed on tracks,
right.
You had to get on at certain stops and you got off someplace near the tracks. A few entrepreneurial people took an old car by then and they offered service that would pick you up where you wanted to be picked up and drop you off where you wanted to be dropped off. And because that was more convenient, the fare was 5 cents. So it was more than the streetcar. At that time, slang for a nickel was a jitney. So it didn't take very long then for the vehicle to be called a jitney. It started out, that's just slang for a nickel, but then the vehicle became a jitney.
Oh, that's too cool.
So within a year or two, jitneys are everywhere.
Uh-huh.
But then the powers that ran the streetcars started to make regulations that made it more difficult. So the jitneys went up and they went down.
Gotcha, okay. And then we had the outgrowth of that, of course, is your bus and your taxi cab.
Right.
So running through, that is
They're also
amazing.
governed. Jitneys didn't have many rules when they were first developed.
So in other words, they were the turn of the last century's version of Uber and Lyft.
Yes.
I like
Excuse me,
that.
I need to
Yes,
say
please,
hi.
please. Thank you.
Mark Becker. Hi, Mark. This is Toby Ross. Good morning, Jim.
This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Elegance at Hershey. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. While you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.